How could a guy not stop? This is the Bodalla Dairy Cheese Factory and the Bodalla Dairy Shed. And according to the sign, it's famous. So I'm on my way to Batesman Bay, and I thought, why not? I think they're open. And look at the exterior here of the cheese factory. Quite creative here with the barrels. You see the barrels and the buckets. They've got some cattle out here grazing in the front yard. And here is a interesting sculpture. Look at this. Still got some Christmas decoration on it. Isn't that something? Very nice. Apparently a lot of history. We got some teeth going on here. Look at that. Some horseshoes. You see? And there's your sign there. Bodalla. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. With my luck, it's Bodalla. But I'll stick with Bodalla. But I hope it's open. I sure do. It's the sign here. They've got cheese making, ice cream lab, milk pasteurizing, milk bottling. Look at this. Very nice. And then here's your dairy shed right here. Bottle feeding calves, 10 a.m. and 4 p.m. So we will see. Maybe it's down here. I think they're feeding the calves. I see some people down here, and I see a gal. I think she's got she's got some hay in her hand. Very nice. What a nice little treat. These are the type of places that you just come across and you just are really glad that you stopped to spend a little time. And let's see if I don't maybe they're feeding the calves. We will see. There's a nice sculpture right there. Look at that. Oh, what a beautiful place. There's a little, looks like a doll house or a little playhouse here. Very nice. And somewhere out here, I think. Oh, there's the little cow right there. Look at the little calf here. Wondering if I've got some milk. I'm sure. Let's see. Look at this. Huh? Let's see. Wondering what do I got? What do I got? Huh? Is that? You're wondering if I got some milk, aren't you? Okay. Look at you, huh? Look at you. Wow. Little guy, aren't you? Huh? That's a little one. So I will come around over here. I see they've got some chickens as well. Got my there's another one down there. Let's see, look at these. I think they're feeding. What a nice place this is. Really a beautiful place. And over here you've got your chickens. Oh, and they've got a llama. You see?
I'm doing something.
Look at all who let the hens out, right? There's your hen. Somewhere over there was a rooster. Look at this. Huh? Look at that. Huh? Look at you. You need a haircut. Wow.
Hi, snowflake!
Beautiful.
Snowflake!
Oh, very soft. Oh, she's got some food. Look at that.
Wait.
She's got some food.
I want to feed him.
Very nice. Alright, look at that. And then over here we have a goat. Look at the goat.
Hold your fingers flat. Open your palm out.
Wonderful.
Open your palm out and hold it there. No. Hold your
And
palm
the
out.
feed. There you go. See if the little one can.
Yep, that's
There
it.
we go.
That's
Oh,
it.
look at all that.
Okay.
Look at all that. Alright, so let's go see if we can't check out the let's see if we can't check out the rest of the facility here. What a nice place. Somebody left the hen house door open. You can see. There's your hen. Very nice. All right.
Don't run it down the hill.
You see the young children here in their
You should only ride your way down the
uniforms.
hill. No, I need my bike back.
Wonderful.
Well, you have to get it back.
All right, let's go see if we can check out the actual factory or tasting room. There's another sculpture here. Look at that little watchdog. They even have some water out for him. Oh boy. And then over here is another little sculpture. This would be the dairy shed. Over here. Actually come up a little bit. Give you a view from the street. There you go. There's your dairy shed from the outside. Very creative. Very, very creative. They actually even have, if I'm not mistaken, I think these are cow's tails here as the railing if you look closely. Alright, let's take a look. Wow. Look at this. This looks beautiful. Holy cow. This is just what a wonderful place this is. Look at all types of flavors. And it is quite immaculate. Very nice. And then up here on the wall, look at this. Oh, I'm really glad that I stopped. Here like you can get yourself a souvenir bottle. Very nice. Little kangaroo. I'd imagine you'd have a nice fire going here in the winter time. Even here, look at the tables with the old-fashioned. Another one with the wooden spoon. I used to get hit with the wooden spoon when I was a little kid. Not too hard, but there were days that I'd get hit with the wooden spoon. Look at these pictures on the wall here. There's a picture of this woman squirting some milk to a cat. Very nice. Now I don't know if they give tours, perhaps they do. But look at the selection. Look at the selection of cheese. Wow. Outback Saltbush. I'm sorry?
Oh, sorry.
I'm just admiring all your cheeses. Wow. Okay. I think they'll actually let you sample some of it if you're so inclined. Alright. So I don't know that they, I don't know if there's any actual tours going on or not, other than the one that I just gave you. What a nice place to stop. I saw this on my way down to Narooma yesterday evening and told myself that it would be a good idea to stop. I don't know that they actually let you in to the facility, but probably not. All right, folks. So that's your tour here. Actually, stick the camera in. There you go. All right. Have a great day.